guys, so I'm Miss Fury. I'm one of the chemistry teachers here at KTCS. Myself and Miss Bennett teach chemistry here. I'm just going to give you a rundown on what chemistry at Leaving Cert entails. So at Leaving Cert, chemistry is all about mixing chemicals. It is about radioactivity. It is about organic chemistry. It's a really varied course content. However, it is a lot more advanced than your junior cert chemistry. So what I would say first of all is if you didn't enjoy junior cert chemistry, you're not going to enjoy Leaving Cert chemistry. It's a different way of thinking. It is a different type of science to biology and physics. It is very logical. There is maths in it. Now, you do need to be confident in maths. You don't need to be doing higher level maths, but you would need to be a good standard of ordinary level. There is a lot of notes in it, and it's mostly understanding logically how the world around us works. One thing I would say with chemistry is attendance is really important, because if you're missing class time, the class is going to move on very quickly without you, and it is difficult to catch up. So to be a chemistry student and a good chemistry student, you really need to be dedicated to the subject, and you need to be interested in the subject. Chemistry is a requirement for a lot of subjects or a lot of courses at college, but if you only need one science subject, you don't necessarily need it. If you're interested in going to study a science course after school, it really would be advisable to do chemistry, because if you only have biology, you are going to be studying chemistry in university, and it would be so much easier if you had a solid basis from school. There are so many different careers you can go into with chemistry. Ireland has a huge pharmaceutical industry. There's lots of money to be made in this field. I think it's a brilliant area to study. It's so interesting, it's so rewarding, but it's not for everybody. The students who do TY get to try out most of the chemistry experiments that they would do at Leaving Cert. And that's really good, because that gives them the opportunity to say that, yeah, they are able to do it. And yeah, this is for me. A lot of the students that come into my 5th year chemistry class and Miss Bennett's 5th year chemistry class came originally from TY, because they got the real love of chemistry there when they got to do all the practical and saw that they were well able to do it. Chemistry is not something to be afraid of. It is a really interesting and rewarding subject, but it does require work, no more than biology or physics or any Leaving Cert science subject. A H1 is hard getting any subject, but if you put in the work, chemistry is really rewarding. There's loads of career opportunities in it. You can travel with chemistry. You can use your degree across the world. Normally, I would ask students to come and sit in and see a chemistry class in 3rd year, but with COVID, I can't do that, so I'm missing that. We do nice things as well in chemistry. We made s'mores. We cooked marshmallows on our Bunsen burner at Halloween. We made a chemistry with our 6th years. That's the privilege that only the 6th years get in the chemistry class. We made soap today. We extracted clove oil, which is lovely. It smelled like perfume the other day. There's lovely things to do in the chemistry class. We go to Minute and we do our practicals there. But it all comes with hard work. And that's the one thing that I would stress. If your attendance in chemistry is not going to be the best, you will get lost. You need to be there, you need to be focused, and you need to be asking questions, because really with chemistry you need to understand, because everything that you do in 5th year builds on the next thing for 6th year and so on. Any problems or any questions you have or you want to know, please feel free to talk to myself or Miss Bennett or any of the science teachers, although we'll sell chemistry the best. And you can email us or talk to us in the corridor, because we would only love to answer your questions. Thanks, guys.